Alhaj Abdullah Chaudhary University College, BBA Honors Second Year, subject Business Communication and Report Writing for Management and Accounting Department. Welcome for attending my online class by Flowers reception and also who will see by YouTube and Facebook, friends, students, or others. Date 25 August 2020. Introduction of lesson, major media of written communication. Title of lesson, written communication and its types, represented by Vishnupada De, head of the Department of Management. Purpose of lesson. Number 1, stating brief questions carrying 1 marks and skill developed to write down freely on answer scripts. Number 2, we will know how to prepare short questions such as what is written communication, types of written communication, definition of letter, what do you mean by memos, how to make a report, etc. Number 3, we would be able to differentiate between written and oral communication. Number 4, we are able to describe 5 Cs of written communication. We will know about techniques of effective writings. Now, we will know about written communication. Written communication is a medium of expressing idea, news, views, information, message from one person to another. It is the medium of written media. If senders use medium of written media, then it is called written communication. Now we will see what is written in the screen of representation. Transmitting ideas, views, news, messages from one person to another in written form is called written communication. There are a definition of written communication. R. Paul and J.S. Carlahali said, everything that has to be written and transmitted in the written form falls in the area of written communication. Types of written communication. There are 3 types of written communication that is stated in the speaking of my lecture. Rights of written communication. Written communication types, there are 3 types. One is letter, other memos, and next reports. What is letter? Letter is one of the media of written communication. It contains business information to be written to another businessman, being 1 or 2 pages. Written documents serves as an ambassador, conveying important messages and showing future evidence of happenings. Memos. Memos are basically office order that is used internal communication within same office. Memos are called internal letters of interface correspondence. Reports. Reports are to be done some true description of happenings which is collected from field level area. Most of newspapers use reports for understanding real situation of prices of markets, happenings, crimes, and natural disasters of a country. It is also analytical or longer than a letter. Now we will know about the differences of written communication and oral communication. There are so many differences that is stated in the points and divided to portion, that is written communication and oral communication are given below. Differences between written communication and oral communication points. Number 1, feedback. Written communication, immediate feedback is not required. Oral communication, it is necessary a feedback. Easy acceptance. It has no easily acceptance, but oral communication is easily acceptable. Direct approach. It is not direct approach. It is direct approach. Barriers. It has more barriers than other. It has little barrier than previous media. Audience size. It has large audience who are geographically scattered. The audience size of oral communication is small. Cost. It is costly. It is less costly. Knowledge level. Knowledge of literacy is required. Literate can participate in this communication. These differences are important differences of written communication and oral communication that we will see always, but in the real situation, many differences may be of between written communication and oral communication. What are 5 Cs of written communication? 5 Cs of written communication are as follows. Number 1, C for clear. Number 2, C for concise. Number 3, C for complete. Number 4, C for correct. Number 5, C for courteous. Describe briefly 5 Cs of written communication. The brief description of written communication is given below. First one, clear. The message of written communication must be clear. Clear written communication helps to achieve purpose of sender. concise. The message should be short and complete. Reader does not want to get unnecessary information, so it should be concise. Complete. Complete communication can attract receiver of knowing about subject matter of media. It should be complete, making sense. Correct. Wrong message is meaningless. It should be reliable source derived. Wrong information decreases the goodwill of the firm. Therefore, message should be correctly represented. Courteous. Courtesy increases the quality of an institution. It should be maintained. It holds the image of writer and own business. It is one of the criteria of written communication. Describe the techniques of effective writings. The techniques of effective writings are described given below. Viewpoint. Writer can serve message or own interest. It does not keep any effect of reader mind. So sender should keep consideration of reader point of view. Proper words. Proper words can express the motive of writings. Otherwise, reader usually can wrongly treat the represented information. So it can give bad effect of institutions. Tone of courtesy. Courteous tone only can bring from reader response. It makes image for sender firm. Avoid anger. Angriness often destroys good relationship of message reader and writer. A good writing has no anger produced words, so it is always avoidable. Consideration of cultural differences words. Some words can create misunderstanding of writings in different cultures, so it should be avoided always in proper writings. Shortly represented. A good writings should be represented shortly. Reader has remain attraction short messages. Active voice. Active voice can easily understand. An effective writer always use active voice in writings. Avoid repetition. Repetitiveness is one of the bad habits of writings. It spoils the beauty of writings. Correct punctuation. Wrong punctuation can change the meaning of message, so it should be written in correct punctuation. Proofreading. Proofreading can escape the wrong of good writings, so writings should be proofreading. On the above stated points represent the effective writings. Without this, other points may represent the real situation of effective writings. Enclosures of representation. By giving flowers invitation for coming next class and taking part to every student's online, Facebook, YouTube. Please subscribe my channel for getting important class quickly. Thanks all, and all of you remain happy.